Hello my dear friend, welcome back to our YouTube channel. If you are new on my YouTube channel, then subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for latest update. As you know, I am bringing new crypto project in which you can invest and get profit. So today I am bringing a new amazing cryptocurrency project. Its name is TupTalk. In this video, I am going to share each and everything about this project TupTalk. So guys, before we waste our time, I am starting the video. TupTalk is a next-gen voice chat and radio broadcasting app with built-in social networking, enabling seamless communication for businesses, influencers, communities, and friends. It integrates group calling, audio conferencing, and live radio broadcast, empowering users to expand their reach, engage audiences, and stay connected all in one versatile platform. And next guy, you can buy now. You can check here stage 1 by TupTalk. Now you can see this until price increase, current price $0.005, next stage price $0.007, rise USD $14. So guys, you can see this one TupTalk is equal to $0.005. So guys, first of all, you can connect your wallet. So guys, you can click here and connect polling wallet connect, Phantom, MetaMask. So guys, you can select any wallet, then you can select network, Ethereum or USD. For example, I enter Ethereum, then you can enter your Ethereum amount. For example, I enter Ethereum amount 1000, then you can receive TupTalk now. So guys, you can see this. So first of all, you can deposit Ethereum in our wallet, then you can buy TupTalk now. And next guys, you can scroll down and see this more detail about this project. You can check your roadmap. You can see this one pre-sale, team on board, token contract development, pre-sale launch, marketing, token claim. Number 2, marketing, ecosystem development, extensive marketing, influencer marketing. Number 3, DEX listing, smart contract edit, marketing, team expansion. Number 4, CX listing, marketing, team expansion. Number 5, development, platform development, app development, extensive marketing, team reward program. Number 6, launch, platform launch, app launch, community reward, mass adoption, influencer marketing. And next guys, we discuss how to buy. So guys, you can click this and see this how to buy TupTalk tokens during the pre-sale. Note, TupTalk tokens are currently available exclusively during the TupTalk token pre-sale. They are not just listed on decentralized exchanges like Uniswap or PancakeSwap. Be courteous of counterfeit TupTalk token on DEX claiming to be authentic. You can check a step-by-step guide to buying TupTalk token. So guys, you can see a step 1, prepare your wallet. Use a decentralized wallet compatible with Wallet Connect such as MetaMask or Trust Wallet. You can check here, we'll discuss how to buy now. You can see this and you can check here, ensure your wallet is set to Ethereum network ERC20. Step 2, fund your wallet with Ethereum. Ethereum is required for transaction gas fees even if you plan to purchase TupTalk using USDT. Acquire Ethereum view platform like Coinbase, Binance or any other reputable exchange and transfer it to your wallet. And next guys, you can check here step 3, visit the TupTalk pre-sale platform, open your web browser and navigate to, you can check here, click the connect wallet button to link your wallet to platform. Select 4, you can check select payment method. You can select payment method USDT or Ethereum by selecting the respective button on the pre-sale dashboard. Step 5, enter purchase amount. Input the amount of Ethereum or USDT you want it. The dashboard will display the number of TupTalk tokens you will receive. Confirm your selection and you can click buy. And next you can see step 6, improve and confirm the transaction. Verify transaction detail in your wallet including the amount and recipient address. Confirm the transaction. Wait for the Ethereum network to validate your for USDT payment. Improve the USDT contract in separate step before completing the final transaction. And next guys, you can step 6, success. One, confirm your TupTalk token will be sent directly to your wallet. You can check here how to buy. You can see this all step-by-step process. We already discussed this how to buy now. And next we back to the home page and see this more detail about this project. And next guys, we go to this project white paper. So guys, you can click here and see this page is loading. Guys, you can check here TupTalk white paper PDF open. You can scroll down and see these contents, introduction, problem statements, solutions, future use cases, documents, and airdrop roadmap, legal disclaimer. You can check here, introduction. You can see this problem statement. You can read carefully all detail. Next guy, you can see this TopTalk solution detail. And next guy, you can check here feature, live voice chat and audio conferencing, radio broadcasting, social media integration, business friendly tools. You can check here influencer friendly feature. You can see this all is the features. And next guy, you can see this another feature, decentralized platform, crypto reward for active participations, vibrant and engaged community. You can check here. Next guy, you can see the use cases, artists and creator, activists and advocates, general users. And next guy, you can see the tokenomics. You can check here, we discuss later. Next guy, you can see the tokenomics chart. You can see this roadmap. You can read it carefully, all detail. You can see this. And next we back to the home page. And next guy, you can scroll down and see this another detail. You can check here futures. TopTalk is a decentralized and allow user to earn cryptocurrency rewards through active participation, fostering a vibrant engaged community. It offers content creators a transparent and fair social media experience. Next, you can check here TopTalk enhances reach by integrating social network, allowing users to share group chats or live radio session with followers. This instant access drives exponential growth and engagement, making it essential for business. And next, you can check here tokenomics. And as guys, you can see the tokenomics, the total supply of TopTalk token is capped at, you can check your amount 55%. You can see this 35%, 5% TopTalk. You can see this, you can check your contact address about this project. You can click this, then you can view the contact address. And next guys, you can check your facts. What is TopTalk and how does it work? Who can benefit from choosing TopTalk platform? What are the details of TopTalk pre-sale? How can I participate in pre-sale? You can check here. Next, you can see this TopTalk built on Ethereum blockchain is a modern decentralized social network that strives to increase the link between content creators and their audiences. Content creators can token gate their content, granting access only to supporters who have an TopTalk or pay a membership fee in TopTalk. And next guy, you can check here. You can see this tokenomics. You can click here and see the tokenomics. We discuss this and you can check here about. You can click this and see this profile. And next guy, you can join this project on following social media platform, Telegram, Twitter. So we go to this project official Twitter page. So guys, you can see this TopTalk official Twitter page is open. You can follow this and get information about this project. You can like and comment this post and retweet this post about this project TopTalk. And next we back to the home page. And next guys, we go to this project Telegram group chat community. So guys, you can click here and see this page is loading. So guys, you can see the TopTalk official Telegram group chat community is open. You can check here 709 members that join this group. So guys, you can join this group. Yeah, next we back to the home page. So guys, this website video is finished. If you like my video, then don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel.